羽ばたいたら戻らないと言って目指したのは青い青いあの空
Soldier second class Zach on the job!
Zach, focus. You're a little more important than my sword, but just a little.
We are monsters.
I'm Erin.
An angel?
I'd like to spend more time with you.
We're friends, right? You'll be my living legacy. My honor, my dreams. They're yours now.
I am the chosen one.
Those aren't the wings of a monster.
Well then, what are they?
Angel's wings. Embrace your dreams. And whatever happens, protect your honor. That girl, she said that the sky frightened her. That looks so liberating. Those wings. I want them too. Embrace your dreams. If you want to be a hero, you need to have dreams. Would you say I became a hero?